chemicals they work around.
So it's a new
Information
one.
must be clearly communicated and understood in order for everyone to stay safe. Your employer meets federal requirements to provide you this information with a written hazard communication program. Hazardous chemical container labels, safety data sheets known as SDSs, and training on hazards and precautions, as well as the proper use and storage of hazardous chemicals. This course will provide an overview of all of these elements and what is required from you. However, before you're ready to work with hazardous chemicals, you will also need on-site training that covers the specific chemicals you'll be working with.
Cabinet.
Just in case, because I think we will need cabinets replacement few if there are mokke ko chha ni. Okay.
Usko चाहिँ कस्तो
राम्रो छ. This is actually good.
को जाने. So here's the thing, right? Yes.
Oh, these are like so good not to take it.
Motherboard. So I gotta take this one out and put it in the new screen. Right there. So always battery निकाल्नु पर्छ ल पहिला. I think it's a microphone that we have to transfer. Oh. Very purano screen ko tha. What happened? Oh, garas लाग्यो. This is the new one. Just gotta transfer that right here. Just like that. बिना डर बिना फिक्री आउँछु. Return program.
All employers who have hazardous chemicals at their facility must prepare and implement a written hazard communication program. You have the right to view this program on request, so talk to your supervisor if you don't already have access. The program will contain detailed information on hazards, safety measures, and SDSs.
Oh my god, level 2 हुनुको लागि मैले points थाप्नु पर्ने रहेछ क्या? Point हुनु पर्दो रहेछ क्या?
Like violation point?
Point violation. I'm gonna go live right now.
Yeah, I wanna. You log on.
No, product पे ध्यान दो तो कुछ तो. इसमें मेकअप करेगा, that's so perfect.
यस्तो लाइभ गर्ने वे बनाउँदा हुने रहेछ नि. हामीहरूले यस्तो स्टुडियो नै बनाउँदा हुन्छ हौ.
स्टुडियो बनाएको त देखेन.
यस्तो हाउडा हुन्छ स्टुडियो यहाँनिर.
पल्लो रुममा स्टुडियो हाम्रो मर्फी बेड हुनु पर्ने क्या गेस्ट रुमलाई चाहिँ नि.
कस्तो
मर्फी बेड हुन्छ that you can fold and make a dresser. Closet जस्तो बनिन्छ अनि you can have the whole space in that room.
Sorry, already किन बेड किन. यहाँ आउँछ सर न आउँछु यो कसरी गर्ने.
नो मनोज म के गरिरहेको छु अहिले म नि.
नि खोजेको तिमी मसँग.
product लाउन आँटेको just 3 point भए पनि बढ्छ I don't care म मेकअप पनि गरेको छु राम्रो देखिन्छ
राम्रो देखिरहेछ तिमी तिमी त्यसै नै क्युट छौ
तिमीलाई त थाहा छ केटा मान्छेहरुलाई थाहा छ
सबैलाई अचानक भोलि बिहान उठ्दाखेरि चाहिँ तिमी र म नि सुस्मिताको जेठा दाजु भयो जस्तो हुनु
I don't think so, man. Even if we get viral, I don't see myself like that. I generally do not see myself like that. I don't think I would put myself in that position where I'm making something like that. Okay? I can make video, no? I don't think more video बनाउँदिन भनेर हैन तर I don't see myself making like dumb video, okay? Just for video like
anything for the video
die, like honestly, they could die right away, you know that? त्यस्तो खान्छ क्या that's not safe कस्तो बोसहरू हुन्छ क्या
एडिटेड होला है एडिट गरेको होला नि कति
I don't think so. She looks like she eats. That's very
that's not so demure So त्यो चाहिँ ट्याक्क यहाँनिर फिल गर्नु पर्यो नि त है त्यति गरे पश्चात चाहिँ you can't force it it's you hear that tack okay I'm gonna test it before putting everything in I've got the charger here so let's see so यसमा चाहिँ समस्या त्यो झिरझिर गरिरहेको थियो इबेबाट किनेको थिएँ मैले यो हैन
Did you just unplug my
एकछिन छोड्दिनु न अरू उता अर्कोपट्टि चार्ज गर त्यो लाइट हो
यो कम्प्युटरको त चाहिदैन नि त
अघि मैले झारेको थिएँ झार्नुको लागि
content creators
So guys, it looks good. It's only the matter of time, you know. Camera राम्रै छ ठीक छ I think I'll go ahead and put it in and I hope review चाहिँ राम्रो छ यसको हैन तर let's see how it goes, you know, to be honest with you. And this, this.
I need this. I'm gonna promote everything. Patch.
And this as well.
I need that basket.
What basket?
The one under you. The whole thing.
All yours.
I haven't bought. Oh. Is that mine?
एउटा दुई तिन चारवटा पाँचवटा सातवटा एउटा दुईवटा तिनवटा चारवटा पनि ठिकै छ जस्ट स्क्रिन राम्रो खालको लगायो भने भइहाल्छ यो आइफोन 13 हो यस्तो त फुटेकै छैछ होइन नलाउँदा पनि हुन्छ तर लगाएको बेटर हो अन्त गाइस
Why is my stuff like that?
what stuff is it? धेरै स्क्रुहरू हराएछ धेरै कुरा बाँकी छ
An SDS provides comprehensive health and safety information on a hazardous chemical substance. All sections of the SDS will be covered in your employer's written program and are important to review. But there are 4 that we will go over in more detail. Section 2, Hazard Identification. Section 4, First Aid Measures. Section 6, Accidental Release Measures. And Section 8, Exposure Controls and Personal Protection.
एउटा मिसिङ छ मैले स्क्रुहरू सबै हराइपठाएँ नि त Oh, right there, I see a lot of screws here. Right here. लाइभमा बोल्नु चाहिँ परेन है तिमी जोशी दादा मैले काममा छैन so at least एउटा चाहिँ फुल सेट भयो guys I'm ready सुरुमा चाहिँ यता माथिपट्टिको लाउनुहोस् है I think त्यो भएपछि त लास्टली यो फर्गेट नगर्नु होला हैन So that's it. So that's it, guys. Let me go ahead and install this right here. Keeping it in the lid,
If you are ever unsure or have questions, refer to Section 1, Identification, for a phone number to call the manufacturer. If the danger is immediate, call Poison Control or 911. Click the highlighted sections for more information.